We at ACSGS always knew that this was going to be a race against the clock, but we never thought it was going to end like this.
It had been understood by the EAS community for several years that the Midland WR100 version 5 was a faulty radio whose tuner was doomed to fail. ACSGS came into possession of one of these supposedly faulty radios. This WR100, however, stood to beat the odds, to become a holdout, to defeat the perceived common misconceptions of the time. But unfortunately, the boogeyman comes for us all. And despite the meticulous efforts of actinium engineers, it was determined that the radio simply had nothing left to give. But for 3 long and rather difficult years, the WR100 did what it needed to do: provide severe weather information for ACSGS and eventually the actinium group. But alas, all good things come to an end, and the service tenure of the WR100 version 5 is now over. And as one last thank you and farewell for its efforts, it shall be honored with a plaque in the all-new ACSGS Monument Park, named so for the venue at Yankees Stadium. Number 5 will be retired in its honor. And one last thank you to the WR100 version 5 for its 3 long years of meticulous service. And the following Actinium Media presentation is in dedication to this radio.
I repeat, do not call an environment development.
Wanted to start right before the weekly test with a good view of the new Monument Park. Since recording the tribute to the 100, we also decided to retire a couple more numbers, the St. John and the Craftsman. Other than the those 3, there's also the Midland WR300, the first one I had, the AlertWorks EAR10 White, which was replaced not too long ago by this thing. Well, the original EAR10 was ditched in 2020, and the Yaisu, which is missing in action. So that's just something I wanted to go over. And there's the empty spot where the V5 used to be briefly, because I only made that setup. I only made this setup late last week, so now we get to see the weekly test debut of 4 radios. The walkies are also back. This is going to be an amazing video, I think. I hope. 1108, I think, was the last one. Oh, here we go. What the hell? I forgot to tune my EAR10 to channel 1.
Specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day.
Why didn't you go off?
Test of the National Weather Service
What is your problem?
The forecast for Erie County Lakeshore. West of today.
What's going on, Radio Shack?
Isolated showers. Isolated thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
En raison de difficultés techniques, il pourrait y avoir des retards dans la diffusion de certains messages.
Well, added bonus, I guess. Why aren't we focusing? Focus, come on. Focus, hello. Hello, focus. My camera isn't focusing. What the fuck?
To northeast, 15 near noon, then diminishing to northeast, 10
Okay.
near midnight.
This is Weather Radio Canada.
This might be Weather Radio Canada. Who knows? Speaking of Weather Radio Canada, good lord! Amazing timing! How? Oh my god! Oh my god! That was hilarious! Holy shit! I literally just said, I was literally starting to say that we were overdue for a network message. Oh my god! Oh my god! We've had some amazing timing moments.
It is currently 10:12.
What is this about?
A strong thunderstorm was located 10 nautical miles northwest of Geneva on the lake, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong
That is a
thunderstorm
special
was
marine
over
warning.
nearly open waters.
Oh.
The forecast for Erie County.
Uh-oh! What's that?
Weather Radio Canada.
That is one of the things to add to a compilation of all time. The hope is still alive! Ah!
Low 14. Thursday, a mix of sun and clouds. High 20.
Yo! Huh? How long did it take you?
A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for
Basil! We are so back. Here we go! SVR! What the hell? Why did you cut off? What the fuck? The phone thing.
Environment Canada.
I guess Excellent already went. I too thought we were finished, but we were not. Hey, BUF! What the actual fuck? You're a day late.
This includes Interstate 90 between exits 52 and 58. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Chautauqua, New York. This is New Weather Radio KEC 50 for the following county: Chautauqua, New York, and Warren, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 391, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The This watch includes the following counties: Chautauqua, New York, and Warren, Pennsylvania. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather,
including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 391 has been issued from 1:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Chautauqua, New York, and Warren, Pennsylvania. A special weather statement.
Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Southern Ontario.
Thunderstorms will in western Wyoming County in western New York, western Cattaraugus.
And what the hell is your problem?
Southern Erie County in western New York, southeastern Chautauqua County in western New York until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a line of severe thunderstorms was located 13 miles north of Falconer, or 14 miles southeast of Fredonia, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard.
How the fuck do you mean a line of severe thunderstorms was located?
Radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Jamestown, Hamburg, Eaton, Springville, Coleman, Lakewood, Gowanda, Falconer, and Arcade. This includes the following highways: Interstate 90 between exits 57 and 57A. Interstate 86 between exits 8 and 16. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Chautauqua, New York.
Huh.
A flash flood warning for the following county: Chautauqua, New York. The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Chautauqua County in western New York until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Jamestown, Lakewood, Falconer, Jamestown West, Frewsburg, Busty, Jerry, Ellington, Sullivan, Sinclairville, Panama, Cherry Creek, Bemis Point, Ellery Center, Asheville, Stowe and Nilby. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
When's the last time I even got a flash
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Has to be the first one this
Be
year.
aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks which can become killers in heavy rains.
Whoa.
Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks.
Whoa.
Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Chautauqua, New York. A special weather statement.
Alright, things just went.
In the area of northwest Pennsylvania. During potentially
Whew.
dangerous weather situations,
It looks just like Buddy Holly.
receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m.
This is the
In the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. The forecast for Erie.
I'm actually locked in the storage closet.
for Domingo Herman!